Hi guys, welcome to Elevate Your Career with Coco. Thank you so much for being here. So in today's video, you're going to type Unisa on your Google and you're going to press the University of South Africa, which will take you to this page, and you're going to scroll down, check out the page before you press anything, and you're going to press that button that says apply, the one that is red in color. You're going to press that, which will load you to the next page, and in the next page this is what you're going to see again. Then scroll down. You have to scroll down, read everything before you press anything. Undergraduate, if you are a first-time student, you're going to press first time. If you're a returning student, you're going to press returning. Here we are dealing with the returning students, so you're going to press returning and it's going to take you to this page. This is what you're going to see. You would have to scroll down, read everything, make sure you read everything while you're scrolling down. And because you have to find out what qualifications do they have, just press all qualifications so that you may go through all the qualifications that they have. It's going to take you to this page. You're going to scroll down. Those are all the qualifications that University of South Africa have. Guys, there are so many. There are so many, from high certificate, diploma, advanced diploma, degree, honors, stuff like that. Whatever qualification you need, this is everything that you're going to see, right. So when you're done going through all those qualifications and you have seen the one that you like or you're happy with, this is what you are going to do after you've chosen the subject that you need. You're going to go to the subject that you have chosen so that you read the requirements and you check mostly the APS scores if you're in matric or you have passed your matric, to see if they match with what you need and all the requirements that they need for this qualification. If you're happy, you're going to press apply now, and then it's going to take you to this page. If you're first time, everything goes undergraduate, but if you're not, you go to your master's, but everything, if it's your first time applying here, you're going to go undergraduate. If it's your first time again, when they ask you, do you have a student number, you must say no. But as a returning student, you do have a student number. So you're going to press yes, you do have a student number. You put in your student number. And secondly, you're going to put in your surname and your name. Make sure you put your full names. If you have 3 names, put the first one, leave a space, second one, leave a space, and third name. And obviously your date of birth. Make sure that everything you put here is according to your ID number. They should always match. Please make sure. When you're done putting in your details, you're going to press continue, and it's going to say that you have already applied, and yes, you have. So you're going to press OK. After pressing OK, this is the documents that you will have to upload. Firstly, the important one is your ID. Then the second one obviously is going to be your academic, and you will have to choose an option that says academic or your CV or whatever you have to submit. If you have any other qualification, make sure that you do submit so that they see your documents. And after that, an option of saying submit is going to come out, and you're going to press that option and you submit your document successfully, so that they don't tell you that you have outstanding documents. Thank you so much for watching.